how to uninstall the apps on Android that won't be uninstalled. So this process is quite easy. What you need to do is just go ahead and go to the settings on the top right hand side as you swipe down. So after you click on settings, scroll all the way down until you find apps. Go ahead and tap on apps and you can see all of the list of the apps which you have on your device. Now there are some apps which will not be uninstalled. You can enable or disable it. So disabling it is quite easy. It will be hidden from your app drawer or your home screen as well. So go ahead and tap on it once. As soon as you tap on it, you can see the option of disable on the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on disable and tap on disable app. Now you can go back to your home screen and you will not see that screen or you'll not see that app. So it's quite easy. Go to apps. Go ahead and tap on the app which you want to uninstall or disable. Go ahead and tap on it and you can just go ahead and tap on disable and then it will be close to uninstalling it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.